In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an issue on a Jira backlog. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or simply organizing your backlog more efficiently, removing unnecessary issues can help streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the process so you can do this with ease. First, you'll need to access the project that you're planning to work on within Jira. If you have multiple projects, make sure you're selecting the correct one, as this is essential to locating the right issues for deletion. Once you're in the project, navigate to the top navigation panel. Here, you'll find a menu option labeled Backlog. Go ahead and click on this to enter the backlog section where all the issues for your project are listed. Now carefully scan through the backlog to find the specific issue you wish to delete. It's important to ensure you're deleting the correct issue, as this action is often irreversible depending on your Jira permissions and settings. Once you've located the issue, click on it to bring up its detail view. This will not only confirm that you've selected the right issue, but also give you access to further commands. In the detailed view, you should see an Actions menu, often depicted by 3 dots in the interface. This menu contains several options that you can perform on the issue. Click on these 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. Among the list of actions, you will find the Delete option. Selecting this will start the process of deleting the issue. Before you proceed with the deletion, Jira might prompt you for confirmation. This is an important step that ensures users don't accidentally remove issues that are still needed. Carefully review the details of the issue to confirm that you have selected the right one. If everything checks out, confirm the deletion when prompted. Remember that deleting an issue is permanent and cannot be undone. Therefore, if there's any uncertainty, consider archiving the issue instead, which offers a reversible option if you need to revisit the issue later. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting an issue from your Jira backlog. This task helps keep your backlog organized and efficient, removing clutter and improving focus for your team. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope this helps you manage your Jira projects even more effectively. If you found this guide useful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your workflows.